What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Volkswagen Arteon. I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery. This one is super duper simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the remote over. We're going to remove this backside panel we have here. It's going to need a small flathead screwdriver. And see the seam that we have right here? We're just going to use it to pop the cover off. All right. Put the screwdriver in here at like this angle that you have here, this flat angle. You can use like a butter knife or something that's flat like this, okay? And just pop the cover right off. It just comes right out. And then the battery, you're gonna need the same tool, flathead screwdriver, butter knife. There's a slot right here, okay? See it? And we're gonna pop this battery out. I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size the battery is. All right, so here's the battery. The size is gonna be a CR2032, and I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up some batteries for like $1 if you need one. Just gonna stick this guy in here like this, okay? And this is the positive side. You can see the writing on it. It will be facing outwards towards us. It just goes in just like that. It's very easy. And get the cover and it just snaps on just like that, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.